Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do a lot of lovely and yummy recipes, so stay tuned and go along with me. Okay, today what we are doing is peanut butter chicken soup. Okay, it's very delicious. Okay, and then it's very easy to do. So what I have here, I have some chicken. Okay, I have taken out the skin because I don't like chicken skin. And this is hen. Okay, this is like normally when you go to the shop you say this is hard chicken. It takes a bit of time to be tender, but I like that because it takes a bit of time for the soup to cook, so it's better to use this. But you can use the soft chicken, the broiler chicken as well, just that you have to take it out of the soup for a bit of time before you put it in at the end. So yes, this is what we are doing. So I've washed my chicken nicely. Okay, and I have some spices and I'm going to spice this chicken. But before that, let me show you what I have for my spices. So guys, I have some onions, red and white onion. I've chopped them. I'm going to blend all of these. Okay, put that in the blender. And then I've got some ginger. I'll put all the measurement down below. I'm going to blend all of these and put it on. This is some garlic I've chopped also into my blender. And I have this spice. It's called grains of Salem. Right? If you don't have it, it's my preference, but if you don't have it, it's okay not to use that. Okay, I put that also into the blender. I have some cloves here and I put that into the blender as well. Right, and I also want to add some rosemary, and then I want to add a bit of aniseed, and then I need to add a bit of thyme as well. That's my thyme, and yeah, so that's it. So this is in my blender and I'm going to blend all these and pour it onto the chicken, and then I'll allow it to cook for a bit. All right guys, so we have our chicken on the stove now. All right, so I'm going to put my blended onion and garlic and the spices I added onto that. Just rinse the blender. Right, so I'm adding a bit of black pepper. Okay, and I'm adding a bit of powdered cumin. And this is my herb spice that I normally use in my recipe, just a mixture of a lot of herbs. Add some salt. So I'll leave it as it is and I'll cover it and I'll allow it to cook for a while to make sure that all the nice spices go into the chicken. So guys, I forgot to add my bay leaf, so I'm adding my bay leaf onto it. So guys, while our chicken is cooking nicely, I want to blend the tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to cut these tomatoes and blend them. Right guys, this is our chicken. It's smelling, I tell you, the aroma is really smelling nice. I tell you, it's really good in my kitchen at the moment. So what I'm going to add next, I'm going to add my tomatoes. I've blended the tomatoes. I'm adding the tomatoes. Okay, and allow it to just cook a little. I want to add some tomato puree as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it again and I'll allow it to cook for a while. So guys, this is our peanut butter paste. It's called Ghana Taste peanut paste. Okay, it's got no added sugar. Okay, and it's just the peanut that has been just grated to form a smooth paste. Okay, with nothing added to it. This is quite a good one to use. All right, so what I'm going to put that into a pan, saucepan, and then cook it a little bit because I'm running out of time. So I'm going to take that and then put that into a pan, my saucepan here, and I'm going to cook that so that it will be easier when I put it into the soup. I'll put the measurement down below. Okay guys, I have my peanut here, as you can see. So I'm going to add some hot water. And I'm going to try and mix it nicely. Right guys, so this is our peanut butter. I have just added more water to. I'm going to boil that a little before I add it to the soup. So guys, this is our peanut butter. It is boiled enough, so I'm going to add it onto my soup. Okay, normally when there's oil on top of it, then it means that it is done. So I'm going to add a bit of water and then I'll strain it onto my soup. Right guys, so I'm going to add my peanut butter. As you can see, it's really nice. Smells really good, so I'm going to strain that. I'm going to add a bit of water to that, and then we allow it to cook for a bit of time, and then our peanut butter soup will be ready. Smells absolutely yummy. So guys, as you can see, I have some scotch bonnets in the soup. As you can see on top of the soup, there's scotch bonnet in there. If you like it spicy, as you see, I didn't put any pepper in it because my kids don't like pepper, so I like spicy, so I put the scotch bonnet in there just to put it in my soup and make it spicy. So if you like it spicy, you can add the scotch bonnet to it. So guys, this is our peanut butter soup. Okay, chicken. Our chicken peanut butter soup is ready. You know that it's ready when you see this oil at the top. It means that the soup is ready, and it tastes really delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe. You know that it's very easy. You know that I love easy recipes. So our peanut butter, our chicken peanut butter soup is ready, and then I'm going to serve it. And I'm going to serve it with rice balls. So guys, this is our chicken peanut butter soup. It is so delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe. I tell you, it's very easy. You spice your meat and then you add the peanut butter, and it's lovely. You can eat it with anything. You can eat it with yam, you can eat it with potatoes, you can eat it with rice. Okay, I'm eating mine with rice. My rice, I've made it to something called rice. In Ghana, we call something rice balls. Okay, we cook the rice very softly, and then we knead it into balls. Okay, so that is what it's just like this. So that is what I'm eating with my soup today. So guys, as you can see, it's a very lovely soup. So if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, and please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for coming along with me, and may God richly bless you. Bye.